What is up, guys? Easily Speed here. Worth going integrated engineering stage 2? My answer to that is yes. It's very well worth it. I'm gonna give you guys some sound clips of the exhaust. Now, I am running completely stock other than the air intake, upgraded intercooler, and then the tune, of course, and then I'm running the Resonator Delete from the ECS Tuning, and then I cut off the exhaust and welded on just a straight pipe to it, so I don't have an exhaust, and that's pretty much the only thing that's been done to the car. Other than building the engine, which I'll get into, that was another headache that I'd spent almost 6 months trying to fix. So a lot of you guys have actually been asking about the rebuild of the Audi A4 on my Instagram, so I'd like to just address it really quick in the video. So this is basically all the items that I bought. I bought the new cylinder head for $1,000, and then just all the guide rails, timing chain, oil filter, did the oil change, did the coolant to a private person, and got him to rebuild the engine for $2,000, so it was about $3,700 in total to rebuild the top end of the Audi. But if you enjoyed the video, put a thumbs up, guys, and subscribe.